Hey everybody, it's Kristen from Gadget Review. Today we're going to be taking a look at the iGrill. Unfortunately our box got screwed up, so we're not doing an unboxing, but it is a remote thermometer for your iOS device. We're going to take a closer look in a second. So this is iDevices iGrill, their first product. It was announced, I believe, at CES. It's available now for $100. What it is, it's a Bluetooth remote thermometer. It's got a number of touchscreen-like buttons here, plus, minus, power, and as you can see, an LED display. Now, unfortunately, our review unit seems to have problems. So we don't know why it's saying CE7, but the idea is that you plug the probe, which is here, into your meat, and then this is connected to it, displays the temperature. You can connect it to your iOS device and it will send the temperature back, which you'll be able to view on your iPhone, your iPad, or your iPod Touch. It works over Bluetooth. They say it works 200 feet, though we're skeptical since Bluetooth is generally 30 meters. Now, operation isn't that simple. You turn on the device to set the first alarm, you hold the plus sign, that puts you into the first alarm, and then you plus minus between 2 and 400 degrees. And on the converse, you hit the minus button to get into the other alarm, and again you can set the temperature. There's 2 ports for the probe, right and left, which means you can use either side, but you can also use up to 2 probes, so you could very well be monitoring 2 different types of meat. On the back of the device there is a hook that allows you to hang it from stuff. So you could hang it from the side of the grill, though they warn you not to because that grill will of course be hot and it'll probably melt. But you can very well stand it up. They've also included 4 AA batteries. Now we found that we only needed to put 2 of them in for it to operate, although as you can see ours has gone into an error screen, so we're going to contact the maker and find out whether or not there's a resolution. It also comes with only 1 probe, so you'll need to buy a second one if you plan on probing 2 meats. The iPhone app is, or I should say the iOS app, is a little complicated. If the thermometer shows in digital or like an analog display, that won't show until actually testing something until you have the probe inserted, which we found a little bit confusing. Turning on the device just requires that you push one of these 3 buttons. We found that it would turn itself on very easily, which we didn't really like. But enough of that. We'll get a closer look right now, and then we'll have a full review up hopefully in the next week or 2, provided of course we can get it fixed. And here's a switch that allows you to set it between Fahrenheit and centigrade. That's 1 probe port. That's the second probe port. That's the iGrill from iDevices.